Hey guys, chances are you're curious, you want to learn more information, you're not really too sure what the heck a foreign exchange market is, and you're wondering, what are you actually trading in Forex? So if you are into Forex trading and you want to make a living with Forex trading or make good side hustle income, this video is going to explain what are you actually trading in Forex, even if you never traded Forex online before. Oh yeah, before I forget, if you like what you see and you want to learn how to implement this for yourself, visit my website at www.darrellbreton.com, where I'm going to be posting more free valuable content and it will get sent directly to you if you go to my website. The simple answer to the question is money. Just because you aren't buying anything physical, it may seem confusing, but don't worry, I'm here to explain. In the Forex trading market, when you buy the US dollar, you are basically buying a share in the US economy. When you purchase a call, you're betting that the US economy is doing well. When you purchase a put, you're betting that the US economy isn't doing so well. Here's a list of currencies below. So I color coded them for you. The black letters are the codes, the green color coding is the countries, as well as the red is the dollars, the currency, and the blue code is the nicknames. So I'm in Canada. The nickname that we would use for the dollar is loonie. In other words, Forex is basically digital currency compared to the paper currency. That's all it really is. It's just online. It's just on the foreign exchange market compared to when you're actually traveling and you'll like exchange your US cash for Canadian cash or your European cash for US cash or vice versa. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be notified when more valuable free content is posted out to you, as well as make sure to click the like button to help me out with the YouTube algorithm so more people can see this video on YouTube. In tomorrow's video, we are going to be showing you how to become a Forex trader quick tips. Like always, guys, make sure to click on the video above or the video below and watch some more free valuable content. I'm going to be posting more videos just to show everybody and teach everybody a little bit more about the foreign exchange market.